Hi guys, how are you? I expect that all of you will be fine and you would be celebrate the Independence Day, 74 Independence Day to you. Before saying something, first all of we want to bow our head in the feet of the all of those Indian freedom fighters who had devoted their life to gain this marvelous freedom and independence of our nations. Guys, today I teach you the section formula, very important portion of the coordinate geometry of the mathematics. Come to understand it. Look on here. Section formula is this. Suppose AB is a straight line and section, it is clear, section means one part of the full part. So suppose AB is the straight line, that is the full part. A section, it means if there is and if 2 point A and B, obviously A has the certain coordinate, B has the certain coordinate. A coordinate is x1 and y1. B coordinate is x2 and y2. In section formula, that there is a point which divides AB in certain ratio. It can divide the AB in two ways. First, P may lie inside AB or P may lie outside the AB. When P may lie inside the AB, that is called internally. Or when P lie outside the AB, that is called externally. When P lie inside, then there is the certain distance of P from point A. Suppose its distance is m. Also, P has the certain distance from B. Suppose it is n. This section, length of this section is m, and length of this section is here n. Now we have to get the coordinate of P. The way to get the coordinate of P is the section formula. The section formula, the P, obviously it has two coordinates. Suppose first coordinate is x, that is the abscissa, and second coordinate is y, that is the ordinates. Now x for to get the value of x, we have this length, m is the length of this section. This m will be multiplied to this x2 and n will be multiplied to x1. It was ordinate abscissa, the x equal to m x2 plus n x1 by m plus n. This is the formula to get the value of x. Y equal to, if we get y for the y coordinate, then y coordinate for point B is here y2. Y coordinate for point A is the y1. The m, to get the y coordinate, this m is multiplied to y2. That becomes my2. And this n is multiplied to y1. That becomes ny1 by m plus n. Look on here. If you want to get the proof of this formula, you may comments. In the next video, I will prove this formula, this section formula. One thing is here, that here when point P lies outside, suppose, then that will be internally. So for on internally, one question I am writing here, try to understand. पहले यहाँ पे देखो. This is the formula when the point P lies internally. On the base of this section formula, when P lies internally, one question I citing to you, find the ratio in which the y-axis, divides the line segment, joining points 5, -6 and -1, -4. Also find point of intersection. Look on here question. We have to get in which find the ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment. Suppose here is axis. It is y, that is y dash. Here is x. Here is x dash. Question says that point lies on y-axis. Here is the y. To understand this question, these types of the question, you must watch the first, second, and the third video, which is also on the base of the coordinate geometry. You will get the clear conception of it. Suppose point P lies here. So when P lies here, the point P is on the P, abscissa is 0, and here the y coordinate. So this point P lies here, and first point is here 5, -6. Second point is here -1, -4. We join it. Suppose it point is A, another point is here B. This is the B point. Now the distance of A from P, suppose its distance is M. Distance of B from P, its distance is N. We have to get the coordinate of point P and the ratio both. Look on here. On this formula, for the first coordinate is abscissa. Abscissa is here 0. I will write here 0 equal to mx2. M is here M. x2 here mx2. M is here x. X2 here 5. We will write here m into 5 plus nx1. N is here n. X1 is here -1. We will write here -1 into n by m plus n. I will write here m plus n. By the cross multiplication, 0 into m plus n equal to 0. It becomes 5m minus n. Therefore 5m equal to n. Therefore m by n equal to 1 by 5 equal to 1/5. That is the answer. Now we have to also get what is the coordinate of y.